Yeah.
Simba. It's a circle of life.
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs. The daily grind is still on. Yeah, we're just heading off to training now. It's about 11:51, I think, something like that. Yeah, so we're gonna head down to the park, do a little bit of training, maybe like 30 to 45 minutes training. Nothing too much, because then we have training tonight. And yeah, we'll see. We'll try and get some footage now for you guys. But it won't be so much. We're gonna just practice on some movements, pass and move, trying to get that into your head, to our heads, into my head more for this week's game coming up, and to use it in training tonight also. So yeah, we're gonna try that. Did you bring the ladders?
Yeah.
We might do some ladders with a quick feet also. And yeah, no, you'll probably see later on. So yeah, so we'll see you there. Hey guys, so we just finished training. We didn't record any of it. I just forgot to. And there was some little kids out earlier. I didn't want them to take my phone or anything. So yeah. But now we're done with training. We're gonna head home, eat something, probably relax for a few hours before training. And yeah, I'll try and get some video footage also for tonight's training. So
Yeah, for sure.
should be good. But I think it will be intense because of our game on the weekend that we lost. Oh, on Friday, sorry. So yeah, so it should be good also. A higher intensity is much better for our training, so it'll be good. Anyway, we'll catch you guys later on when we're home, I think, or about to eat or something. You know, or on to training, something like that. Anyway, we'll catch you guys later.
Yes.
Peace. After training, we like to come down to the hoops, make 5 shots. One from there, one in the middle, then one here, and again in the middle, and then there again. And we did it yesterday, we got 1 each. So let's try it out. See if we can get some in. That was a miss.
One in. Miss.
A miss? Two more shots. So we made 0 shots. That's Jake's turn. Two to go. Two to go. Here we go. Oh, off the rim.
Last shot
Will he get it or will he miss?
on the next episode.
Here we go. Oh, so close. So guys, we're heading to training now, and you wouldn't believe who is the last guy. This guy all the time. Come on, get your bag, mate. He always He's got to go to the toilet. He's got to do something at the last minute, you know. He never prepares himself properly. So now we're gonna head to training. Maybe get some video footage. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, we'll catch you later.
Yeah.
It's a circle of life.
Yeah.
Damn. Hey guys, so we're back now from training. We were just talking with one of the players. It was just a funny conversation that we had. But yeah, so now we're coming back upstairs. Gotta have something to eat.
Yeah, hopefully there's some food ready to eat, and then we'll take it easy, rest.
Yeah, take it easy, and then tomorrow we got to go and work a little.
Yeah.
Maybe we might take the bus.
My legs are killing. We did some did a lot of running today.
Yeah, it was
It was pretty intense.
Yeah. So that was good. Yeah, there was nothing really to show as well. So
It was basically just a full training session of running.
yeah, it wasn't so much fun, but it was good. But anyway, yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go to work, and then we have training also again. So that should be fun. But anyway, we'll catch you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, this is what's for dinner. I don't know exactly what it is. Just some rice, some peas, and some corn with some carrots also, but I don't know what the sauce is. And then you have some chicken there also. So it's quite nice. What do you think, mate? How is it?
Yeah, it's good. Actually, it's a little bit salty, but it's good.
Salty. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna dig into this. So, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
What I'd like for you to do right now, I want you to think about your dream, because I'm in a room full of dreamers. Think about your dream right now. I want you to think about it and envision it.